should eat my tacos. Can't be eating some tacos in my taco world. Just open your mouth and ripple your eyes. It's raining tacos, raining yum yum yummity yum. My tacos are so good, except for when my mum cooks it. It's nasty and dirty, crusty. You better eat my tacos, then you will be hungry. Yum yum yummity yum. Oh, yum yum yummity yum. I should open your mouth. Yum yum yum. It's so good. Well, you should eat tacos, toes. If you don't eat my tacos, I will shoot you that pew, 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 pew. You're dusty and crusty. You better eat my tacos to smell good. And I'm out. Yeah. By the way, like and subscribe to eat my tacos. Yum, 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 yummity yum.